Okay, water's a little tougher. Iggy, iggy, iggy. Iggy, iggy, iggy. Here we go. Come on, guys. Sebastian, it's not time for a bath. It's not time for a bath. Look, just a little dip. Little dip. Here, baby girl. Come on, Cher. Good girl. Cher's the only one that's actually drinking it. Oops, right up until then. That's okay. That's okay. And, of course, Mommy's having a fit. Why are the puppies having something that I'm not? No. Who's making all that noise? Who's making all that noise? Good girl, Cher. Good girl. Come on, Axel. Come on, Axel. You're a brave one. How's that? Ozzy is fast asleep. Let's see if we can get you in here for a little sip. Want a little sip? Just a little sip? There we go. Or you can dive right in. Oh my goodness. Okay. I don't think we're too crazy about the water right now. That's okay. That's okay, kids. Time for cleanup. Maybe Dolly's gonna venture in. There you go, girl. Nope. Oh boy. Okay. Time for some cleanup. Time for some cleanup, Mama.